What's going on, guys? David here with you, and I was getting ready to go to my first job, and I took a look at my YouTube channel, and we just hit the 500 subscriber mark. Man, this has just been a blessing to me. I started this channel 3 years ago, and YouTube had said I did something. I can't remember what it was, and it discouraged me, so I left it alone. I had one video up, and that video had close to like 80,000 views. And I checked it about a year ago, and I thought to myself, man, this is crazy. I had like 150 subscribers, so I started posting up videos, and just 3 months ago, I hit 350. And so today I just hit 500. So I wanted to thank you guys for all that is viewing my channel, that subscribe to my channel, that likes, that comments, that ask all the questions. I just want to tell y'all, thank y'all for the support. Our next goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. I got plans for, doing a give out for when I do hit that 1,000 subscribers mark. I'm thinking about doing like a tool bag and like a gift card to Home Depot or Lowe's, probably of like $150 value. But I'll post a video up on details about that. But I appreciate all the subscribers, all the comments, all the likes from DC Appliance Repair to my family. From my family, we thank you guys, and hope y'all continue to enjoy the content. And just wanted to tell y'all thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. I'm going to be working on a video of what the service calls I got running today. But again, thank y'all very much.